Hi everyone, welcome to Healthy Mermaid Eating. Myself sharing why this is a problem. It's among 18 to 24-year-old college students that have no time to cook, not close to home, and they are also unnecessarily eating junk. Why this matters? According to recent research, National Institute of Diabetes and Digestive and Kidney Diseases in 2007 to 2018, nearly about 1 in 3 adults, which is about 30.7%, were overweight. This can lower metabolism and increase stress levels, then tremendous significant roles onto some multi-education that some students need to know is that we should be adding posters outside of the dorms, like near EIU, in the library, like computer halls, wherever people are most willing to see it. Posting on social media like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, or on YouTube, providing tips on how to eat healthy. Use nutrition apps like FitOut, which is perfect for iOS and Android users. However, for food it just really got established only on iOS. But don't worry, it's also going to be on Android. Consult a dietitian. Some healthy choices do are adding fresh greens and protein onto your plate, be mindful of salt intake, eating fruits, vegetables, also staying hydrated. But summer and spring is coming up. Benefits can help students be more focused on their education, improving energy, and feeling satisfied that they can be confident in how they feel. A call to action: start with one change day to make a difference in your life. These are more references I used for my president. Thank you. And now.